Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by confirming your new Relic account and copying the license or ingest key. This is essential. Once done, pick the correct agent for your stack, Java, Node, JS, Python, or the infrastructure agent, and install it on a test host. You will modify the agent config file with the license and service name. Make sure to restart the service after editing. This gets telemetry flowing so you can validate instrumented data immediately. Once the agent is running, enable distributed tracing and finely tune what you collect so sampling matches your needs. You add custom attributes or mark important transactions in code to surface business context. Instrument background jobs and external calls explicitly. Make sure error collection and log forwarding are configured to link traces to logs. After applying changes, check the APM, browser, or infrastructure dashboards to confirm traces, spans, and metrics are appearing as expected. Finally, assemble dashboards that show latency, throughput, error rate, and host health so you can monitor trends at a glance. Create alert policies with well-chosen thresholds and attach channels like email, Slack, or PagerDuty. Include a short runbook in the notification to speed response. Test alerts by triggering safe conditions, and if data is missing, confirm agent connectivity, time sync, and key configuration. That one troubleshooting check often resolves most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.